left behind in the good old days, they just keep on coming. Yeah, we're moving on. Got the world with me and no place I'd rather be than rolling.
So, got the, what is this, a full-size bed?
This is a twin.
Twin-size bed for the bunk, okay? But our idea is to try to make this into a full-size bed, like that big. So, trying to think of a pull-out situation, but we'll have uneven mattresses. It still might not be a bad idea. But a lot of fifth-wheel bunks have their mattresses fold up and lock into place. So I'm thinking that's what we're going to do, is we're going to put in little locking mechanisms on the sides, unlock, fold down, and we'll have some nice sturdy legs with another piece of wood for support, and that way everything will be even all the way across. And it gives us room to shut the door and a slight walkway in the room itself. Only negative is going to be very little room to get into the top drawers.
But that's when we flip it up during the day.
You can flip it up and you can still get
For travel and all day, she'll have access to everything.
Yeah, I think that might be the way to go. Is putting these like this and putting our little locks in like that.
So what are you going to have to build to do this? What's needed, and how what's going to happen? How are we going to do this?
Build project. Step one. We're going to have to measure another piece of wood, plywood. Make sure it can fold over on top of itself, not hitting any handles, not hitting any other side walls, anything like that. We're going to have to remove the decorative suede bar here, which shouldn't be too bad. Looks like it's just a couple screws coming through here. Adding in a piano hinge, flat hinge for the wood.
And an example of a piano hinge is actually,
oh yeah, that door's got
that door right there is the hinge we're going to be going for.
Long, solid hinge.
Okay, so a piano hinge
across here. Wood folding. It's gonna be great. I'm gonna need to get 2 legs, or make 2 strong legs, maybe like a folding table leg style that has that little fold out with that little lock hinge thing that it's got going on there.
And you're gonna then connect that to the wood plank?
That's gonna be to the wood plank. That's gonna be down.
Is that gonna be attached to the mattress? The wood plank won't be attached to the mattress.
No.
Okay.
Mattress is separate than wood plank. Wood plank's gonna be attached to the bus. And then from there, only other thing we need are the 2 locking mechanisms, and put some holes into the wall to lock it upwards. It should be less than a day project. So give us like 4 days, 5 days, and we should have it knocked out.
And it'll make our 12-year-old daughter extremely happy, because she totally guilted us by the fact that we have a king-size bed and she's going from a queen-size bed to a tiny twin. So we came up with this idea literally last night and put our brains together, and this is hopefully what we came up with that'll be successful. All right, and I want to get a shout out here to Betty's, because we ordered a twin Betty before we thought of this project, and they got back with us and said as long as it hasn't been opened, which it hasn't, they will let us exchange it for the full size. So that was really awesome, because we ordered this like a month ago, and luckily enough they are going to take it back, so I appreciate that with them. But we are getting there, aren't we?
Yeah, I got another project if you want to see it on this one, or do you want to do a new video?
New video. All right, say bye.
See you next time. Hey, like and subscribe, especially if you want to try to do this project. Awesome. So now we got the hinge on here. We added some extra support. We're working on putting on our legs. So we added some cross support here, so that way it doesn't flex or bow on the sides horizontally, and also vertically we've got it. Actually, add a little bit more mounting for our hinges, so I can put the legs onto the hinge, so that way I've got plenty of support under the hinge. So that's what I'm working on now.
Can you show what the hinge looks like so people have an idea?
These are folding table leg hinges. Oh my gosh, they are super, super strong and heavy. You actually got to pull this little locking spring out in order to open them. Oh my gosh, I don't know if I can do it without being on there. Yeah, see, nice and easy.
It's like steel, right?
Whew. Yeah, oh, that's definitely steel. And then what happens is it locks into this little groove, this little pin that's on a spring, locks into the groove, and it locks in nice and tight.
And we got those on Amazon.
Yeah, we got them on Amazon. What'd you get? 4-pack for $25-$30, something like that. But they're nice, heavy duty springs, or hinges, sorry. So we're gonna start securing our mounts for our hinges. Okay, today's project, we're gonna change out our foggy headlights. Jen found some headlights on Amazon, I believe, and it only takes 3 screws, 1/2-inch screws. So I'm gonna go ahead and disconnect the old ones here. And sorry for the unsightly sights. All right. Broken.
No.
Broken. Sorry about that. That's just for dramatic effect. It's not broken. It's shrink wrap so you don't scratch the plastic lens. And now you'll watch, right? Like and subscribe, because now we know it's not broken. That's going to be our header. It's broken. That's the thing I just undid. Perfect. That's our new bulb, but it's not our new bulb. And the wires are all exactly the same. The mounts are all the same. So other than swapping out that one light bulb, because we're going to change it into some fancy HID halogen, I guess they're not HIDs, they're halogen. Look how pretty those are.
Ooh.
It comes in a plastic case.
And you're not supposed to touch them without gloves, right?
Well, you can touch the plastic, you don't touch the glass.
Oh.
As long as I don't break them, getting them out of the case. Look how pretty it is. It should line up, go in there, and snap in. Like quarter turn. Boop. Done.
Wow, that was easy.
That's how you change light bulbs. And then we're gonna put this one back in here because that's a nice little case in order to store them. So I'm gonna keep the old ones as spares, even though I know I'm gonna fall in love with the new ones. So I'm changing out the headlight bulb lamp. So it has this little clip on it right here, like a locking clip. So we're gonna pop this little gray, light gray clip out, just like so. Okay, and then once that's out, then use a screwdriver again to pop out. If you had the right size screwdriver, it would work a little bit easier, but use this whole screwdriver to pop out the rest of the housing. Boom, like so. Just like that, then it's nice and easy to put the brand new bulb in reverse. So you clip the new one in, like so. Perfect. And then you replace the little gray clip lock, and that way nothing pulls out. Nice and tight, nice and easy, brand new light bulb.
I'm gonna record like that. Hope that shows something. Okay.
Just hold, can you hold it right there for a second? Because I'm gonna move this bracket out of the way. Perfect. And then see how it's gonna come towards you. Okay, watch your fingers. This up here is like almost perfect right now.
Okay. Yep. Didn't scratch anything.
All right, no scratches on this one here. And oh, you peel this fancy plastic off. They put a little piece of like shrink wrap cellophane on here just so you don't scratch anything. You just gotta peel it off when you're done. So that way it doesn't look like the bulb's broken. So otherwise, it gives you that nice chatter look. Static electricity going on here. Here we go. And then
gorgeous.
take a nice little rag. Get the rest of my fingerprints off. So another product here is a soap and shampoo body wash dispenser we got for the shower. Jen picked it up on Amazon, so I get to install it. Bear with me here. Here's the product right here. Nice little lightweight plastic. Comes with its own two-sided tape and silicone for installation, and hopefully it goes smoothly.